Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add clickable links in YouTube Shorts. This is a 2025 update. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add clickable links in YouTube Shorts, all you gotta do is simply add a clickable link in your YouTube short video in the description or the captions. So to simply add it, you need to verify your account first, which can be done through YouTube Studio. You can simply download the YouTube Studio app from Play Store or App Store, and once you have downloaded that particular app, you need to get verified. So once you have been verified, you can simply add links to your shorts and improve your engagement. Clickable links on your captions or YouTube short videos can help you gain a lot of followers and viewers as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next update.